This is Optimized Tube. Hello, everybody, and thanks for tuning in. How do you like my sexy cyberpunk avatar? Give this video a thumbs up if you like this avatar. And if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, then keep watching because that is what I plan to show you. First, you're going to need a character. This can simply be a photo of yourself, or you can create one using Midjourney. /imagine to start the prompt, and then after you've uploaded an image, you can simply drag it into the prompt. Describe what you want and voila! Once you've decided on a character, you'll need to upload it to D-ID. You can go to D-ID.com or, and this is new, you can now use this technology right inside of Canva. You can locate this new feature under Apps down on the left-hand side once you've started a new project. Select Create New Video, and this is where you upload your character photo. They do offer a nice selection of avatars, but I personally like to use my own. Another way to create your character, if you want to skip the Midjourney step, you can generate one right here inside of D-ID. This is awesome! This wasn't here last time I used the product. Once you've figured out your character, make sure you've selected the one you want to use. Also, if you'd like, you can give your video a title right up here. Okay, so I'd have to say this next part is probably the most important part, and that's your video's script. D-ID offers text-to-speech technology here on the right. They also have it to where you can record your script and then upload the audio file. But if you're just not into doing your own voiceovers, I suggest checking out elevenlabs.io. They offer some of the most advanced speech synthesis. 11 Labs has the most expressive and realistic voices that I've heard. It's pretty impressive. Did I mention the voice you are hearing now is Bella, one of the default voices. So whether you write your script and submit it right here in D-ID or create it some other way, once you submit your audio, your video will generate. And that's how simple it is to create an animated avatar just like this one. D-ID offers a free trial, no credit card required, so what are you waiting for? That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel.